Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing great. So, in this video, I will talk about how to customize your KDE desktop. It is a bit more like Mac OS. So, I'm really kind of loving this layout. So, I'll be discussing or I'll be showing you how I did it. So to do this, you need to have Docker. It is called Plank. So you can install this add-on or app, by adding a repository, PPA repository. So there is two uh, stable and in fact trusted PPA available. So first one is basic one. That would be PPA docky-core/stable, and the other one is from noobslab. And why would you choose noobslab, right? The noobslab will provide you different themes. So I chose for themes, I chose noobslab PPA. So it's quite easy. You just need to copy the PPA and paste it on your terminal or console. Console is for KDE desktop. On Ubuntu, it is perhaps a terminal. So like this, you'll press type in your PPA, and then once you hit enter, you have to enter your password, and after that will be added, and you update it, and you just install this themer, Plank themer. Now to get different themes, or in fact multiple themes, you'll have to do the line here, cd/tmp, so and Replace.sh. So you'll have to just simply copy this line here and paste it on your terminal console and hit enter. You'll be done. Now once you do that, you can really adjust. Like in basic, it will not react like this, like it's zooming out and zooming in. So to do that, you'll have to go to preference. Now you can simply go to this preference by putting or keeping your mouse pointer here, and then you click on preference. And in case if you can't find preference that way, there's another way, and that is also easy. That's not a difficult one for sure. Now on this one, I'll show you in a minute. So icon zoom, if you enable icon zoom, it will react like this, and if you disable it, suppose I disabled it, see, it isn't reacting that way. Now I really like that effect, so I enabled it, and there we go, it's really zooming in and out. It's a nice effect. And you can choose different themes from this list. There's so many themes. You can play with each one, and finally choose what you would like. And there is like position. It's always better in the bottom. You can pick drop it on the top. You can drop even on the right, on the left. It's more like looking like a GNOME desktop, but I prefer on the button. Yes. And if you want to keep your item here, you can simply do that by, suppose I want to keep simple screen recorder on this dock. Now to do that, you can simply right click on it and select keep in dock. Other than that, you just have to click on it and moves anywhere you like, and it will be added automatically. You see there's ticked keep in dock. And if you want to remove icon from here, you just need to click on it and drop it on your desktop in other place. It'll be gone. Simple as that, really. And again, as I wanted to say, if you can't get into preference, you can simply do it by typing plank, then space, then hyphen, then preferences, and the preference should come up. Here we go, that preference came out, and you can really play around with it. So if you do not do that step, and suppose you shut down a PC and turn it on back, and you will not see plank in here, you'll have to go to your startup or like dashboard, type in plank, you have to click on the plank and all. But the better option is to set up as the startup system, or like startup option. I mean, you can click on KDE auto start. On auto start, you can click on add program. You just type in plank and hit OK. It'll be added to the list, and from this list you can enable it or disable it. Disable is to turn it off. Enable is to start alongside, well, or when you will start your system, it will start alongside. Anyway, so you can unlock the widget, and you can, well, just to show you, by clicking on alternative, you can change it like this, and it will be like this way. This is like the typical KDE launcher, and the other one is like Windows, if you're comfortable with it. See, basic. I mean, you have a search bar, you can search anything. Like, let's search VLC. There we go, VLC media player. It's simple as that. Anyway, I like dashboard, so I will pick that one. And what I did, I clicked on the hamburger menu here, and yeah, I click on the screen edge, and I moved it on the top. By default it will be on the bottom. I decreased the size, and I remove that task bar, and I added space, panel spacer, by click on add spacer. So this way it will be organized. And that if you do this, what happens is, if you open a window like Dolphin file manager, and if you minimize it, it will not conflict. It will not sometimes go upwards or sometime in the dock, which is pretty annoying, if it happens. So to prevent that, you should remove it from this panel, and yes, only leave it to the dock or plank. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and have fun.